Hello! Today let's take a look at this Jabra Talk 25 Bluetooth wireless hands-free headset that costs around $30–40 on average. My adventure with Jabra hands-free started 7 years ago when I bought Jabra Classic model that served me for many years. But like all things, the Jabra Classic also served its time and its battery could not hold any longer. Then today we'll get acquainted with this new Jabra Talk 25 hands-free earphone. As we can see, the box is a classic, Jabra style. 3 main features: clear HD calls, stream from your phone, laptop or tablet, and battery life up to 8 hours. That's all we can see on the packaging. Let's check how it looks in reality. Adhesive tape handles to make it easier to peel off. A good idea, Apple does something similar. The first thing we see is the Jabra headset itself. And below a box that most likely has, other accessories. The set includes small and large earhooks and looped eargels. The set also includes free toilet paper or manual, but we won't look at it. And the last thing in the package is micro USB cable. Kinda sad that it's 2021 but we can still find micro USB cables. Connecting the Bluetooth headset itself is very easy. Turn on the hands-free.
To connect your headset, go to the Bluetooth menu on your phone and select it from the list.
And Lady will tell you what to do next. Find Jabra Talk 25 and connect it to your phone.
Connected.
Done. Very easy. It's just as easy to use. Press it 2 times and it's
redialing.
And 1 press is ending the call or answering. There's also a volume control, louder or quieter. That's it. 3 simple buttons. We can also listen how Jabra Talk 25 sounds when there's incoming call. Relaxing, even if your boss is calling. I'll also show you how to replace or remove these earhooks. It's easy. Just pull to remove or press to apply. The same is with eargels. We take it off, choose another size, and pull it on just like your favorite socks. Now a small life hack from me to all the users who use these type of hands-free. As the quality of the call gets worse significantly in windy weather, then a good solution is to buy for a few cents a microphone windscreen foam and put it on the microphone, which will significantly eliminate wind noise. Looks ugly, but it helps out. Jabra Talk 25, like all other hands-free, is comfortable to put in ear and holds very well. All you have to do is find the right eargels or use an earhook. That should also be all. The short summary is that I'm happy with the purchase. It's easy to use, costs very little, and will hopefully last for many years. Jabra also offers cheaper mono headsets like Jabra Talk 5, BT2045, BT2047, and Talk 15. There are also more expensive options like Jabra Talk 30, 35, 45, and Talk 55, which costs around $100. Write in the comments about which hands-free system are you using. Maybe we'll make a top 3 list together to make it easier for other people to choose their own. We hope that you found this Jabra Talk 25 unboxing, setup, and review video very useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to meet us in another tech video or to find more useful tech videos. If there are any questions, we will look forward to them in the comment section. Thanks and see ya!